Now come to the next terminology, capital receipt and revenue receipt. Capital receipt and revenue receipt. Capital receipt means the amount which is received by the business not in a repetitive manner. Amount received by the business not in a repetitive manner, that receipt is called capital receipt. For instance, capital receipt, amount received by the business through capital, or you can say share capital for a company, amount received through loan or debenture, or through FD, fixed deposit. Amount received by way of sale of fixed assets, are called capital receipt, Means these receipts are non-recurring in nature. It is receipt for more than 1 year. That amount will be utilized for more than 1 year. It is non-repetitive in nature. That receipts are called capital receipts. If the firm or business or company received the amount through capital, through issue of capital, means through share capital, through loan, bank loan, through debenture, through fixed deposit, or by sale of fixed assets, or by sale of investment, then that receipts are called capital receipt. These receipts are shown in the balance sheet. This is liability side and this is asset side. So these receipts shown in the balance sheet by way of increase in liability or by way of decrease in fixed assets. By way of increase in liability means through share capital, through loan, then it is this way the liability will increase, and the sale of fixed assets, sale of investment means decrease in the fixed assets. So the 2 or 3 things are very important for a capital receipt. When any amount received by the business which are non-recurring in nature are capital receipt. Number 1, these capital receipts are either increasing our liability or decreasing our assets. The example of these are through the issue of capital, through the share capital, through loan taking, if the firm has taken any loan or business has taken any loan from the bank or financial institutions or from friends or relatives, debentures, fixed deposit, but these loans must be for more than 1 year. Sale of fixed assets, sale of investment, then these amount which is received by the business are called capital receipt. Now come to the revenue receipt. Revenue receipts is just opposite of capital receipt. Revenue receipts are just opposite of capital receipt. Revenue receipt. These receipts, when the amount received by the firm repeatedly, then that amount is called, that receipt is called revenue receipt repeatedly. For instance, sale of goods or services, sale of goods or services. This is your revenue receipt. Amount is received by the company, by the business repeatedly to sale of goods or services. Amount received from commission received, rent received, these are repetitive in nature. Rent received, interest received, dividend received, these are repetitive in nature, so that receipts are called revenue receipts, and these receipts are shown in the profit and loss account. There are the two sides, debit and credit. These receipts are shown in the credit side. Sales, sale of goods, commission. These are our income, revenue income. Rent received. These are our revenue income, repetitive income. Interest received. And these receipts increases our profit. Dividend received, these receipts increases our profit. So revenue receipts are those receipts which are repetitive in nature, recurring in nature, like sale of goods or services, commission received, interest received, rent received, dividend received, and these receipts are shown in the credit side of profit and loss account. These receipts are not shown in the balance sheet. These receipts are shown in the credit side of profit and loss account as a income, and these income increases the profit of the business. So is it clear? Capital receipts and revenue receipts. Capital receipts are non-recurring receipts and revenue receipts are recurring or repetitive receipts. Capital receipts reflect in the balance sheet, either the liability will increase or assets will decrease. Whereas revenue incomes, revenue receipts, it is called revenue income, increases our profit. This increase our profit. Okay, our profit will be increased through these receipts, and these are repetitive in nature. Okay.